Many of you have already requested me to show you the procedure on how you can run any Java program directly from your VS Code. I mean Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code Insiders. Especially many of you know that I am already publishing a complete playlist on Java OOP series, uh, which is in Bengali language. And there, in most time, I'm using Visual Studio Code to run my Java code from here. So many of you have already knocked me through email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on about showing you the complete process of installing Java to your Windows machine and running it from the Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code Insiders. About Windows operating system, I'm using Windows 11 currently, but as you have already know that many of you are still using Windows 10, and I thought about it would be better if I make two distinguished video, both from Windows 10 and Windows 11, so that it might help both of the community of you who are using Windows 10 and also who are using Windows 11. So today's video is all about setting up Java and make up your Visual Studio Code completely compatible for running any Java program in your Windows 10 machine. And if you are using Windows 11 right now, then you may check the I button from the upper left side in this video. I would link the procedure in Windows 11 also there. So enough chit chat. Let's head over to our main section, shall we? Okay, this is a virtual machine which I have created especially for you. But don't worry, the exact same procedure will also work on any Windows operating machine. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you whether I have installed Java on this system or not. I already know that I haven't installed Java on this system because I have prepared it only for you to show you how you can install Java and so on. But still, it's good to know some basic steps on checking whether you have installed it or not, right? You can do that in multiple ways. I'm going to show you to CLI or command line interface based process. First of all, you can check that by using CMD, terminal, or PowerShell. So first of all, if you want to check whether you have installed Java on your Windows 10 operating system based machine, simply open CMD. For that, you can simply search for CMD and command prompt will appear. This is the command prompt, right? So simply type the command. I'm going to apply it here. Java, a single space, to hyphen and version. You see that it's telling me that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. That means Java is not installed in this machine at all, or even if it is installed in the machine, it's not enabled in the path at all. Okay, now if you want to check it through using the PowerShell, simply open the PowerShell window and you need to type the exact same command which I had used earlier in the CMD, which is Java, a single space, double hyphen, and version. It's also providing the same error, which is Java, the term Java is not recognized, blah, blah, blah. We have already understood that I don't have Java installed in this machine. Okay, so what I need to do, first of all, I need to install Java and then I need to add it to the path. I'm going to show you the exact procedure one by one. So follow all the steps I'm going to show you here by maintaining a sequence. All right. So I'm going to head over to a web browser. You can use any web browser you want. And first of all, you need to go to oracle.com, ORACLE, oracle.com. After going to oracle.com, simply head over to the product section. And from here, you need to go to Java. Click on Java. After that, simply click on this button, download Java. It will bring you to the download section. Now, as my operating system is 64-bit, so I'm going to download this x64 installer 152 MB right now, and simply click on this. See, the download has been started. Let's wait for some time and let it be finished. The download has been finished. Now you need to simply open the .exe file, I mean the executable file, which file we have downloaded just right now. Hit on yes. Okay. Now click to next. Next. Java is being installed here. Okay. Now we can close this window. And now we need to add Java to the path. So I'm simply using the file explorer, and I'm making it bigger so that it might help you to understand what I am doing here. Go to the C drive, and from here, go to the program file section. And from here, I'm simply expanding the icon size so that it can help you to understand in which folder I am going and in which file I'm accessing. Okay, so in the C drive and within the program files folder, you will find Java folder. Simply go to that folder, and here you will also find JDK hyphen the version name of the JDK you have just installed. So I'm going to the folder, and here I will also find a bin folder. Going to the bin folder and copy this path. Okay, simply you need to copy this path, and now we need to add it to our path variable. Now we need to go to the control panel. From here, go to the system and security section and go to system. And from here, click on this advanced system settings. Now we have got system properties. Simply head over to this section, environment variables. Click on this, and here click on this path. Now you need to click on edit, click on new, and you need to paste the directory which we have copied earlier. After that, simply click on OK, OK, OK. Now, if we want to check whether the Java has been installed properly or not, simply open command prompt or Windows PowerShell, and you can check the previous command again, which is Java, a single space, double hyphen, and version. We have got our Java correctly. Okay. Now, if I want to show you whether you can run any Java file directly by using the terminal, I mean, I want to show you whether your PC is compatible with Java or not. So I'm simply creating a simple file here, main.java. I need to enable the file name extensions. Now I'm going to write a simple Java code here. After saving it, first of all, I'm going to compile this main.java. And now I want to run the Java file. See, my Java is working fully in my PC. Now the next step is setting up your Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code Insider for running any Java program. within that VS Code or Visual Studio Code Insiders, right? So for that, you need to simply download the VS Code or VS Code Insiders, which you prefer. I'm going to show you by using VS Code right now, but the exact same procedure is also applicable for Visual Studio Code Insider. I mean, VS Code Insiders. You can use the exact same procedure. Don't worry about it. After downloading Visual Studio Code, I am simply going to install it. It's a very simple software. You don't need to worry about the installation process at all. But then again, I'm going to show you the entire process. I accept the agreement, next, next, next. I'm going to check all of these and hit on next, install. I'm going to delete this file as I don't need this anymore. Okay. I'm going to launch the Visual Studio Code right from here. And first of all, I need to set up some extensions which would be necessary for running your Java program. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to enable the autosave feature, and I'm going to install Code Runner. After installing Code Runner, I'll simply go to the settings, and from here, I will type run code in terminal. Now I need to check this box whether to run code in integrated terminal. Okay. My code runner is ready. Now I need to install some normal extensions for Java. What you can do, you can simply search for Java extension pack. Java extension pack would install all the required extensions for running Java within your Visual Studio Code. Simply click on install and let it finish the task for you. It will simply install these 6 extensions for you. Now, if you are wondering about how you can write and run your C code directly within from your VS Code or VS Code Insiders, I have already published a video how you can do that. And I have also added the MinGW compiler, which is necessary for running any C or C++ codes there. I think you can see the I button in the right upper corner of this video. Simply go and check that out. Okay. My Visual Studio Code is ready for running any Java code. Let me check that out. I'm opening a folder here and I'm giving it Java codes. And I can open it here or by using here, or simply I can drag and drop here. Okay. Now I can create a simple Java file, main.java. You can skip this as well. Okay. So first of all, I need a public class. I'm going to increase the font size so that you can understand clearly what I'm going to do here. Sorry, public class main and system.out.println. Now, if you want, you can use the terminal directly from here. Terminal, new terminal. Now, if you want to run this Java code directly within from your terminal, what you need to do, simply click on this button and click on this, run Java. It will compile and run the Java code directly from the Visual Studio Code. You can see it here, right? After that, you can simply click on this run code button, or you can see that it has already shifted from run code to run Java. By simply clicking on this, it will always provide you the exact output you want in Java directly within from this terminal. Okay, now we are ready to go. If you face any problem here, you can simply click on the drop down menu and you can simply click on this run Java if run code doesn't work for you right now. But normally what happens, if you initiate run Java once, after that run code will also work as well. But if you face this kind of error, simply don't use the run code, simply use run Java. And as I have said earlier, after clicking on run Java once, you will get run Java as a default here afterwards. Like this. Now your Visual Studio Code is completely ready for any Java or Java related projects. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helps you, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.